So, first step to create a board and batten wall is to remove baseboards, cut the little spots on the side baseboards for me to have the new pieces in. So I start off with 2 large panels down at the bottom. Again, these are cut and measured exactly where the seams are going to be covered by the boards. So I'm putting panels to cover up a textured wall because my client wanted it to be completely smooth. So Eucaboard is what I used. I sanded it down to make sure the paint would stick to it pretty well. So they're sanded there. The next thing I did is I cut all 5 pieces that I needed for the verticals from the floor to the ceiling. Now, on this, I would make sure that you measure each one individually because I cut them all at 10 foot and 1/8 of an inch, and a couple of them were a little bit short, so I had to lift them up to nail them in, so the gap is kind of at the bottom that I had to cover. The reason being because the ceiling and walls are never perfectly straight. So that's taken care of, and now I'm going to cut the horizontal boards. Based on my math of 180 inches wide and 17 5/8 of an inch of material for the verticals, that makes it 40 5/8 of an inch horizontally. So I cut all those pieces and then put them in. So on the left side and on the far right side, I have to measure each one of those because the walls aren't perfectly straight. So some of them were about 1/8 of an inch longer than other pieces, but I wanted to make them all fit perfectly well. Once that is done, I add wood filler to all of the seams to try to get a solid, smooth look, and then covered up every nail hole, and then used caulking in all of the edges so it would be ready to paint. At this point, it's ready to go, and so you can see I'm painting. I always do all the edging first, all the corners and angle pieces where all the caulking was. Get that done, and then I can get all the smooth panels on the inside. So, hope that helps.